Samsung has thrown a curveball with its latest One UI update strategy, and it's leaving users both excited and confused. Unlike previous years where incremental updates like One UI 7.1 and One UI 7.11 would have bridged the gap between major versions, Samsung appears to be taking a giant leap forward. Reliable sources now confirm that instead of the expected One UI 7.1, the company is skipping straight to One UI 8.0 after One UI 7.0. This is a major shift that will completely redefine Samsung's software update timeline. But why is Samsung making such a bold decision? The primary reason appears to be Google's Android 16 release schedule. Reports indicate that Google is rolling out Android 16 earlier than expected, forcing Samsung to adjust its plans. Rather than overloading its software team with multiple incremental updates, the company seems to be streamlining its focus toward One UI 8.0. This decision means that Samsung's upcoming foldable devices, including the Galaxy Z Flip 7, Galaxy Z Fold 7, and even its rumored dual-folding phone could launch with One UI 8.0 instead of a mid-cycle update like One UI 7.1. Right now, One UI 7.0 has already made its way to the latest flagship lineup, the Galaxy S25 series, but in a surprising twist, some older flagship models like the Galaxy S24, Galaxy Z Flip 6, and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are still waiting for their update. This unusual rollout strategy has raised questions among Samsung users. Why are newer mid-range devices like the Galaxy S36 and Galaxy M16 receiving One UI 7.0 before last year's premium phones? The delay has fueled speculation that Samsung is prioritizing the Galaxy S25 series to give it an early advantage with new software features. But it's not all bad news. There's talk of Samsung expanding the One UI 7.0 beta program soon, meaning more users could get early access to the update before the stable version drops in April 2025. But with One UI 8.0 already in the works, many are wondering, will One UI 7.0 be worth the wait, or should users hold out for what's next? Speaking of the Galaxy S25 series, Samsung's latest flagship lineup is making waves in the tech world. With leaked retail box images confirming a sleek, minimalist design, Samsung has once again eliminated in-box chargers, continuing its sustainability efforts. The Galaxy S25 models come in a stunning range of colors: refined gray for the standard S25, deep navy blue for the S25 Plus, and an eye-catching titanium ice blue for the S25 Ultra. But it's what's under the hood that truly matters. All three models are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a high-performance processor designed exclusively for Samsung's flagships. While the base model starts with 128 gigabytes of storage, Samsung has made up for it by upgrading RAM across all variants, ensuring smoother performance. Hands-on images reveal a premium look, featuring redesigned camera rings and flat edges for a more comfortable grip. The Galaxy S25 Ultra, in particular, stands out with its 200MP primary sensor, promising unparalleled photography capabilities. Samsung's pricing strategy for the S25 series is another hot topic. Despite rising production costs and an increased exchange rate, the base models are maintaining competitive pricing. In South Korea, the standard Galaxy S25 starts at approximately $933, while the S25 Ultra is priced at around $1,281 for the higher storage variant. While some higher-tier models see a slight increase in price, Samsung's decision to keep the base price steady is a win for consumers. Another major highlight of the S25 series is the inclusion of Galaxy AI, available for free through 2025. This cutting-edge AI enhances the user experience in many ways, from improving low-light video with audio eraser to enhancing selfies with lifelike textures and skin tones. Samsung has also refined the S Pen experience, which remains exclusive to the S25 Ultra. Additionally, display sizes remain impressive, minus 6.2 inches for the S25, 6.7 inches for the Plus, and a massive 6.9 inches for the Ultra. But let's circle back to One UI 7.0. Samsung's approach to this update has left many users frustrated, particularly those with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which has yet to receive the stable version despite several beta releases. While the update introduces exciting new features such as smoother animations, a redesigned quick panel, and advanced Galaxy AI tools, the delay has led to speculation of Samsung's true intentions. Some believe Samsung is strategically holding back the update to give the S25 series a marketing advantage, while others argue that the company is simply perfecting the software to ensure a bug-free experience. Whatever the case, One UI 7.0 is shaping up to be one of the most significant updates in Samsung's history. With a revamped navigation bar, full-screen media player, and an improved battery indicator, this update will bring a fresh new look and feel to Samsung devices. But with One UI 8.0 already on the horizon, will users even have time to fully experience One UI 7.0 before the next big thing arrives? For those wondering when they'll finally receive One UI 7.0, the timeline remains uncertain. If Samsung sticks to its current pattern, we could see the stable rollout begin by late March or early April. However, if more beta updates are released, the full deployment could stretch into late April or even May. Meanwhile, rumors suggest that Samsung might expand One UI 7.0 beta testing to more Galaxy devices, including the S23 series, Z Flip and Fold models, and even some mid-range A-series phones. If true, this could mean that a broader range of users will get an early look at the update before it officially lands. So what do you think of Samsung's decision to skip One UI 7.1 and move straight to One UI 8.0? Do you prefer the traditional update schedule, or are you excited about the potential improvements in the next major version? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're planning to grab the new Galaxy S25, don't forget to check out the links in the description for exclusive offers. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates, and turn on notifications so you never miss a future upload. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you in the next one.